Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss what if analysis second function, that is scenario manager function. What is scenario manager? It is a built-in Excel tool that allows users to deal with changing variables or cells simultaneously. Maximum up to 32 variables you can change. Therefore, you can view different results of different input values or different scenarios at the same time. Where this function is located? It is located under data ribbon, what if analysis, then scenario manager. What is the shortcut? Its shortcut is Alt A W S. So let's start with the video. So this is the basic R data where we will be working here. This is the list of the employees who have sold this number of units in quarter 1, and based on this I have drafted the net income statement. Like this is per total per unit cost, and this is fixed cost, and I just multiplied the per unit cost with the total units sold here by the employees and added the fixed cost. So this is the basic thing, and this is the sales price, and this is the sales for the period, which has like total units into the sales price. Then other income is not related with any formula, it's directly coming, and this total revenue is for this, and net income is total my revenue minus my cost. So now I wanted to have an two type of scenarios for quarter 2 presentation. Like I'm making the projection, so I want two type of scenarios. Like one is optimistic and one is pessimistic. We can take make many like four scenarios depending like what type of scenarios you want. Like you want very optimistic scenario or a optimistic scenario, like with that it depends on you. So I'm making two scenarios like optimistic and pessimistic. So for scenario manager, I have to, as I have told you, the shortcut is Alt A W S. Okay, so it comes under this what if analysis. Now I'll add. First is I will write optimistic scenario. Okay, now changing rows, I'll just click on this arrow and select the changing. I wanted to change every individual units target, and then I have to change like my direct cost, indirect cost, fixed cost is also I'm taking, my sales price, my other income. So I have taken mostly those things which are not having any formulas. Very simple data they are having. Now again, I'll just click on this arrow back. Then this is the comment. If you want, you can write it, or if you don't, you can skip it also. I just keep blank. I'm not writing anything, and I'll just do okay. Then after this, now scenario values. Now you have to add the values also. Like I can change the value here. Like I can write 10,500 on because this is optimistic, or I can also write like this. Like first number was a 9357. How much 5% change will be if there is an increase of 5%? So what will be the change? So I'll just multiply it into 105, so that I will get the 5% increment, or like I'll apply for every other units of employees. So I'll just do equals to and the paste. Okay, so this will ease my work. Okay, now this is direct cost. Like my, as you know, like my number of units have increased, so I think my direct cost will reduce by 1 rupee, and same goes for my indirect cost, that will be reduced by 2 rupees. So I'm making the fixed cost as a constant, not changing it. Now I'll just hope कि my price, sales price is for this next quarter will be 130. Then my other income will be 750 for this next quarter, and then I'll do okay. So I have changed every unit, every unit except fixed cost. So I'll just do okay. Okay. Now you can see the one scenario has been added. Now I will add, if I want to edit it like this, then I can just go again and I can change the values if I want. Okay, so you can see the values have been changed to 5% have been added. If I want to change, then I'll do okay. I'll make any change, like if I want to increase my fixed cost by 50,000. So I've done it and I will do okay. So now this is how you can edit already added scenario. Now I'll add the pessimistic one. Okay. Scenario. Now for this, this is correctly choosing the cells. So we will continue by this. I'll just remove this and I'll do OK. Then now I want, like, I think if it will be pessimistic, so my, if in case my unit sold decrease by 5%, like every employer due to some unfortunate reasons, my sales are decreasing. So I'll just multiply it by 95%. So 5% decrease would be there. I'll copy this part and just add equal to before and just like, okay, equal to, then paste, equal to paste. So now if my direct cost also increased by 1 rupee and my indirect cost has no effect of that, but my fixed cost being constant, but my selling value it decreases by 10 rupees, then my sales will be like this. And if my other income which reduces by 1 lakh, so it will be the another scenario. I'll do okay. Now it's saying it will convert the numbers into results, so values. So these two scenarios has been added, and I'll just do a summary, scenario summary, and do okay. So yes, you can see this two scenarios. The scenarios are always reflected in gray gray colored cells. So now you can modify it as per your requirement, like I want to change them, then I can do. This is like, now this changing cell is like you can just copy the name from this tab to here, just to, if your data is static, then you can do this. Okay, so I'll just do alt here. Okay, then I'll just copy from this side direct cost and then fixed cost. Then this is my sales price per unit value. Then this is other cost, paste value here, and here this is my net income. So this is like ready chart for your presentation. You want to give some presentation, show the positive and optimistic results, and another scenarios also depends. I just again go, I want to tell you one more thing. I'll just call AWS. So here is a merge scenario also. There's an option of merge scenario. Like in case if I want to merge any existing pre-existing scenario with this scenarios, then I can do that also. The merge scenario, it will then ask for, like in case in this case I don't have any merge scenario, but if in the I have to select the sheet where the previous scenario was there and just as do okay, then it will merge it and show you in another. You can have the scenario summary again. So this was a merge function, and in case you want to delete some already created scenario, then you can just select it and do delete, so it will get deleted also. That's all for this scenario manager video. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, stay safe at home and keep learning and upgrading your skills. Thank you for watching.